My name is Alexander, and my project is Heart Rate and Speed Monitor. My project is supposed to help athletes to monitor their progress along their trainings and collect the data to help to analyze their performance.
My name is Daniel Combrink, and my project is the Home Power Consumption Meter. This is the Home Power Consumption Meter. Basically what it does is it displays on the graphic screen here what the consumption is at this very moment.
My name is Sean Jarvis. My project was called Audio Visualization. It took the audio signal from a PC audio port or MP3 player, broadcast it wirelessly as a 27 MHz FM signal. On the receiving end, it would demodulate the audio signal and produce the audio output. In addition, it would light up an LED display panel that would represent the frequency spectrum of the audio signal.
My name is Andres, and my project is an RFID card system. It's one RFID card reader with one or more tags, and the purpose is to track inventory, keep the data, store it, any item that the company can have.
I'm Calvin, and my project is EtterCoffee. It's a coffee machine that is controlled through your home network. Essentially, with the appropriate software, I can control the operation of this coffee machine. That's a good cup of coffee.
Electronics is very exciting. It gives you the opportunity to do things that other people are not able to do.
You get to build anything you want with electrical components.
I like electronics, I like computing devices, I like what they do, and I like to be able to understand their inner workings and be able to create new things with them.
I always wanted to build things.
I think I have a short attention span, so I always found that very interesting because it's a new challenge each time you get involved.
There's really something cool about getting electronics, which is a dead piece of equipment, to make lights and to count and to do all kinds of things that you wanted to do.
I have to admit that when I learned how an amplifier works, that was the biggest shock, and I was walking happy for about 3-4 days, just knowing that I know how a sound gets amplified and how it works,
I think there's many jobs out there for new grads in this field, and I think they're very diverse.
Before I finished my last exam, I already had 3 interviews with 3 different companies.
By the end of summer, pretty much everyone who didn't go to study in university had a job.
There are always new possibilities out there, so whenever there are more possibilities, there are more job opportunities.
There's a growing need for people in electronics technology. The question that people have to ask is what aspect of it do they want to work in? If it's communications, industrial control systems, medical devices, there's many applications once you've entered the field.
I definitely feel confident about my future. There is definitely a market out there for the skill set.
The electronics technology program was really interesting.
The program is a 3-year program. The first 2 years is really the basics. You really learn how things work. The last year is really a build on that foundation.
I know that absolutely anyone who has a passion for it, who loves it, will succeed in studying electronics.
With the right training, anyone can do it.
I never really thought of a particular project. I keep on thinking about many.
A dream project will be to work on an electric car.
My dream project would be to build a BattleBot that could win the competition.
I dream about opening a company one day.
I'd love to have the knowledge to be able to just to take bare components and just be able to create something, to invent something of my own.
What studying electronics technology has allowed me to do is to bring out the inventor in me.
This is something which I love. It's my passion.
I have a creative spirit in me, and I like to find interesting